Google is working on the Google Pixel 8 series with substantial camera upgrades, and a new massive leak details the upcoming Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro camera sensors. While the phones are still a few months away from their official launch, a new industry insider leak has extensively detailed the camera specs and features of the 2023 Pixels. With the Pixel 6 in 2021, Google switched to the 50-megapixel iSOCELL GN1 sensor for the primary camera and continued with it for its 2021 Pixel 7 lineup. But for the upcoming Pixel 8 lineup, the company will reportedly upgrade and switch to the newer iSOCELL GN2 offering from Samsung, which is about 35 bigger than the last generation. This new generation sensor should lead to a substantial increase in light intake, helping low-light imaging and dynamic range. More importantly, the sensor supports staggered high dynamic range, which allows the camera to simultaneously take a long and short exposure shot, reducing motion blur and ghosting. Rumors of the Pixel 8 using staggered HDR first popped up in December 2022 leak. While the iSOCELL GN3 and Tensor G3 chip support 8K video recording, Google is unlikely to add support for it on its 2023 Pixels due to thermal constraints. The upcoming Pixel 8 Pro will reportedly use the 64-megapixel Sony IMX7878787 sensor as its ultra-wide camera, which is about twice the size of the Pixel 7 Pro's 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. Google uses the same Sony sensor on the Pixel 7a for its primary camera. Interestingly, the company might drop the ultra-wide camera's macro-focusing capabilities as seen on the Pixel 7 Pro, but it is not yet confirmed. As for the 5x telephoto lens and the 11-megapixel selfie shooter, they will remain unchanged on the Pixel 8. The smaller Pixel 8 won't use the same ultra-wide camera, though it is reportedly getting a minor upgrade as well, while it will retain the Pixel 7 12-megapixel Sony IMX386 sensor, expanding its field of view shots. Google will apparently use a more powerful 8x8 VL53 L8 time-of-flight sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro, which should help further reduce autofocus times and speed. The regular Pixel 8 will continue using the older VL53 L1 time-of-flight sensor seen on the Pixel 7. A leaked video we reported on about a month ago has shown the Pixel 8 Pro housing a thermometer sensor on its back. One source notes that the MLX90632 sensor is meant for high-precision, non-contact temperature measurements, and it is unlikely to serve any other purpose on Google's upcoming flagship Pixel phone. Cool feature though. The hardware upgrades are just one side of the equation though. Google is planning some new camera features as well. A new adaptive torch feature will adjust the LED flash intensity depending on the scene to ensure your low-light shots are not overexposed. There's also segmentation at WB, in which the Pixel 8 will use AI to break down the photo into different parts and apply selective processing as required in real time, in just fractions of a second. Google seemingly plans to improve the cinematic video feature on the Pixel 8 by allowing you to adjust the blur level. All these hardware changes suggest the Pixel 8 series could pack some serious punch in the imaging department and raise the smartphone photography bar again. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for all the latest and greatest news and reviews in the technology world.